Hi everyone, welcome. In our current series of lessons, we are looking at question words in Spanish. Question words are also referred to grammatically as interrogative words. We use interrogative. It's related to the verb to interrogate, where you ask a lot of questions, so hence the name interrogative words. In this lesson, we're looking at the question word cuando, which means when. Notice it does have a written accent mark there. So we're going down our list here of interrogatives, and currently we are on the question word cuando. Cuando. So cuando means when. So let's look at some examples. When do you study? Using the verb estudiar and the informal you, the question would be ¿Cuándo estudias? ¿Cuándo estudias? When does he eat? This would be the verb comer. So the question is ¿Cuándo come él? ¿Cuándo come él? Our next example, when does she go? This is the irregular verb ir. So the question is ¿Cuándo va ella? ¿Cuándo va ella? Let's look at a few more examples. When is it? ¿Cuándo es? Using the verb ser. ¿Cuándo es? When do you work? ¿Cuándo trabaja usted? This is the formal you, usted. When do we eat? Using the verb comer. ¿Cuándo comemos? ¿Cuándo comemos? When do they arrive? Arrive is the verb llegar. ¿Cuándo llegan ellos? ¿Cuándo llegan ellos? To wrap this lesson up, let's look at some expressions that are commonly used in response to a question with cuándo. For example, if I ask you the question, ¿Cuándo estudias? When do you study? Your answer could be, estudio hoy. I study today. I study tomorrow. Estudio mañana. I study every day. Estudio todos los días. I study in the morning. Estudio por la mañana. I study in the afternoon. Estudio por la tarde. I study in the evening. Estudio por la noche. And you can also give a specific time. I study at 7 o'clock. Estudio a las 7. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning Spanish and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.